Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel where we are going to be talking all about sourdough. In this video, we're going over what in the world a sourdough starter is. So if you've been wondering what a sourdough starter is and it's been a little bit of a mystery to you, I'm here to answer exactly that question. So this is my sourdough starter. I've had it for over 3 years now. The sourdough starter is basically a fermented mixture of flour and water. You're not adding yeast, you're not adding anything else. You are mixing together flour and water. You're letting it sit and it actually collects the natural yeast and bacteria that are in the air and it ferments. So as the yeast and the bacteria eat off the flour, this mixture, they produce gases that give it these bubbles. So the rising action that happens in your starter from these gases being produced, that's what's causing your bread and your baked goods to rise. You may be familiar with going to the store, buying yeast, adding that to your baked goods to get it to rise. This is the natural form of that. Goes back to way back when. This is how they used to do it because they couldn't just go to a store and buy yeast. So this is how they would create a starter to give their bread rise or leaven. That is what a starter is. If you're new to this and you want to get started making your own starter, check out my next video, how to make your own starter from scratch. It's super simple. Before you go, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my sourdough videos. I cannot wait to help you have success with sourdough.